97 Chevy Silverado 1500. Still got all the stock converters right there, right there. Then we put a MagnaFlow 18-inch body muffler and a 2.5-inch tailpipe right there. Let you guys hear it. They come true to it from the factory right there. The customer didn't want to spend a lot of money on it, so we wired it back into one with the muffler. Let you guys hear it in a minute. You can barely hear it. It breaks in after 30 days, a little bit more. '90 Chevy Silverado. What we did is we did Flowmaster 40 series, 3-inch pipe, into 2 1/4 tailpipes, into 3.5-inch, actually by 22 rolled edge tips. Right there, right there. I'll let you hear it in a minute. There's a Flowmaster 40 series muffler. There's the tailpipes. That's how you dual them out on these. Master 40 series. What do you think? Sounds good, huh? That's how they all should sound. Yep. 1988 Chevy 1500 V8. Still got the stock converter, big boy right there. Then we straight piped it from there back to 2 1/4 tailpipes, and then reuse his Chevy bow ties. There you guys go. A straight pipe, duals. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Yeah, I need a tail light.
I did fix it the other day. Put a circuit board in here.
1998 Chevy 1500 Silverado. What we got done on this beautiful thing. Still got the stock catalytic converters. It comes factory dual, true dual, all the way back. And we continued that process with a Flowmaster Super 10. You can find the link in the description if you want to purchase one. Into 2 1/4 tailpipes, and then into 3.5 inch angle cut tips right there and right there. We will let you guys hear it. Oh, that always makes me feel good. Don't you guys agree? Let me know in the comments if you like this sound, because I sure do. Let you guys hear on the inside.